So please think of our meeting house. Please think of ethical culture as being that place for you, because we do put ethics at the center of our lives, and I think every activist must put ethics at the center of their lives, otherwise it's anarchy. So I'm just delighted again to have you here. And I want to let you know that out front, along with information about the Ethical Society, you will also find
the discussion that we're going to have this evening and for the series throughout the year on ethics in action. You're absolutely correct that we're getting ethical training by the day. Today we learned what recusal means. Ethics of recusing after you've perjured yourself in congressional testimony. So this is very exciting, actually, for all of us. So have your questions ready. Thank you.
Thanks very much. I'm going to use PowerPoint so I can move a little faster. Let's see if this works. Not yet. Earth System Dynamics. There's actually a version of it on their website, but in the Revision Act is largest at low latitudes. And so there's another ethical issue there. And then the third one is the problem is entirely due to one species, but almost all of the species on the planet will be affected, and potentially we could drive a substantial fraction of the species to extinction. So let's have the next one. To just mention this species extermination issue, it's a matter of the warming causes a shifting of the climate zones, and in combination with the other stresses and constraints that we're putting on different species, it can cause extinction of some species which cannot migrate fast enough. The rate at which we're adding carbon dioxide to the atmosphere is more than 10 times faster than has ever occurred in the history of the Earth. So it's very unusual, and the shifting of the climate zones will correspondingly be much faster than any time in the past. Let's keep going. So, as I say, it's a combination of the many stresses that we're putting on different species with this shift in climate zones. Are a large fraction of China. You have hundreds of millions of refugees. So it's very questionable as to whether you could have a governable planet if you allow the ice sheets to go unstable, so that you have continually rising sea level effect on the extreme events on the hot side. Those that occurred only a fraction of 1% of the time are now occurring, in the case of summer, more than 10% of the time. The shift is less in the winter than it is in the summer, because this is measured in terms of the natural variability, and the natural variability in the winter is larger. Do we have the next one? Come to grips with this and made plans for an alternative path forward. Could I have the next chart? We're still getting almost all of our energy from fossil fuels. You hear a lot of news about renewables, the green part up on the top of this graph, but that's a very tiny fraction of our total energy. Could I have the next chart? And it's, the mature economies, the developed countries have sort of flattened out their fossil fuel emissions, but what we actually have to do is move to clean energy. Could I have the next chart? And what that means is we're going to have to make the price of fossil fuels honest by including their cost for society. And that is possible. You can't suddenly do that. You have to, if you would have a gradually increasing carbon fee that you would collect from fossil fuel companies, then, and if you would give that money to the public, but I argue you should give an equal amount to all legal residents, then that would actually spur the and increase GNP and create millions of jobs as we move gradually from fossil fuels to clean energy.
Medical or something about this part of the world. How close are we to that, do you think? You mentioned the time scale of 50 to 150 years.
Well, I think that we're very close if we have not already passed the point at which we lock in that consequence for future generations. Now, how soon you actually get many meter sea level rise is a very difficult problem. And it depends very much on what that rate of growth of CO2 continues to be.
So everyone can have the same numbers that they get.
Yeah. We now live in the Holocene, which is about 11,000 years, a relatively warm interglacial period. The warmest time prior to this industrial revolution was early in the Holocene. Continually had, again, this is why I'm politically independent, because although all students that come through college and tend to be liberal, and I was liberal when I was young too, but I see what they're doing. You know, what's happened with the Democrats, they've stacked. They've made the Nuclear Regulatory Commission such that it's like you can't build a nuclear power plant in the United States. It's too damn expensive. I agree with you that that's got to be a significant part, but we do need energy.
And the world is going to, especially the so-called emerging economies, the developing world, is still far below our enemies, very far. Now they better be zero-emission vehicles.
Can you hear me? Yes. I'm really glad you're talking about solutions, and I think I've been an organizer most of my life. I'm a tech entrepreneur. For like 90 seconds to talk about tactics. I talked to the #2 person at the Sierra Club, so what's it going to take to avoid the
Tactics. Because they pretend to be so ignorant, even though, of course, it's big money that they're taking, not their ignorance. But they're going to have to come and listen to scientists around the country talk about these issues. Then on April 29, there is a march on Washington on climate. And so I expect that